The Shahed-136 and its Russian counterpart, the Geran-2, have completely changed the face of modern warfare. They are loud, they are deadly, and with a cost of only $20,000 to $50,000 each, these were seen as the cheapest, most effective weapons in the sky. For years, the world struggled to stop them. Traditional air defense systems were forced to fire multi-million-dollar missiles to take down a single, flying lawnmower. It was a losing battle of math and money. But this is where the challenge truly begins. And the story starts here. Meet the Sting, a 3D printed interceptor drone that costs just $2,000. That's right, a drone that costs less than the latest flagship smartphone is now hunting and destroying the very weapons that once haunted the skies. We are going to explain this mechanical beam called the Sting and how its tiny stinger is changing the rules of the game. You are watching the Let's Grow Up YouTube channel. If you appreciate our work, please share a big thumb. A vertically elongated dome-shaped housing. Unlike a flat hobby drone, this bullet-shaped design reduces air resistance, allowing the drone to maintain speeds of 315 km per hour without shaking or losing control. This is called the EYES, Kerbas 640 thermal camera. For high-performance brushless motors mounted on short, rigid carbon fiber arms. As it is a quadcopter, it can take off from any flat surface. This drone can reach an operational altitude of up to 7 kilometers, which allows it to engage high-flying targets that are often out of reach for traditional anti-aircraft guns. It features a combat radius of approximately 37 kilometers and maintains a flight endurance of about 15 minutes during high-speed pursuit missions. The drone is typically equipped with a fragmentation warhead weighing between 500 grams and 1.8 kilograms, which is engineered for either proximity or impact detonation to ensure the target is neutralized. The Sting launches vertically from its small stand. Once airborne, the drone tilts forward into its bullet aerodynamic shape. Its high RPM motors push it to speeds of 315 km per hour. A pilot wearing VR goggles steers the drone using the Hornet Vision digital link, which provides a clear video feed from up to 30 km away. As it gets closer, the pilot uses the Kerbas thermal camera. Since the Shahed's engine is very hot, it glows like a bright star on the pilot's screen, making it easy to find even in pitch black night or thick clouds. In the final seconds, an onboard AI chip takes over. It tracks the visual shape of the Shahed and automatically corrects the Sting's flight path to ensure a hit, even if the enemy tries to swerve or jam the radio signal. Upon impact, a small explosive charge detonates. As of March 2026, the Sting has successfully downed over 3,900 Shahed and Geran drones. Based on the current global situation, we created this video for learning and technical understanding. What do you think about this mechanical beam? Share your thoughts and comments below. We love hearing from you. Thank you for watching Let's Grow Up. Never stop learning.